G'day DIYers. Another bathroom is on its way to being completed. I've got to bash that tile out. Sometimes when the clips it broke off in the wrong position and I tried cutting it out, well, which is pretty easy, I didn't have to try, but this is a very soft tile and it can chip very easy, but no biggie. I'll just take it out. Everything's all still pretty fresh, a day old sort of thing, so you just got to be careful if there's a little bit of glue in your lines. You try and keep it as clean as you can, but just sometimes there's a bit of glue and you just got to be careful because they are a soft tile. They're ceramic, not porcelain. But I've mixed up my grout, new squeegee. These are only $19. I nearly buy one, probably every second job. They wear pretty quick. But all the time you're squashing it in the lines. Get it in there. Some people like to have the cornice off. Some people go, oh, don't worry about it, it's all good. When it's a white tile like this, it comes out all right. Yeah, okay, well, I haven't even sorted out my washboard yet. I've got to fill it with water. So I better soon, but it's first thing in the morning, so it's going to be a nice day on the Gold Coast of Australia. But it's still a little bit chilly. It's about probably 11 degrees at the moment. It started off at about 7 degrees this morning. At 6 o'clock I was jumping out of bed. 6 o'clock. A fresh new day. I'm excited. Ooh, I'll see you soon. So now we'll just wipe this bad boy off. This wall. Ooh. That's all there is to it, DIYers. You got one of these wash boys. your home and hose. Go around in circles, up and down, whatever way you want. With a shiny tile, you're not looking at your lines or anything, you don't need to. Well, you do a bit, I suppose. You're looking, you press at not too hard, not too soft. You just rub it nicely and you try and get them as flush and flat as you can. That's the secret with your pressed edge tile. You're always trying to be nice and flush. And make sure there's no glue in your lines. Make sure it's nice and clean. Just like that. Looking for any little bit of glue or anything left in the lines, evenness, and your home and hose. See ya. Bye.